Alright, bang, opening. Let's go. What's gonna be?
Poggers. So it's supposed to be Saiko's video, and he was supposed to do the opening and shit, but he just said 2 words and said he fucking
I
gave up,
had
so
intro bang is the perfect opening there is.
it is, but, like, you gotta go more in depth for the viewers, you know?
The
It's for
viewers.
it's for the viewers, you know?
For
Let's
the
just get
viewers.
let's just get into the balloons, yeah?
Yeah. Same
Wow,
again?
we have almost no monkeys. Okay, we gotta think about this. We gotta actually use strategy. So we don't have a village to
Not
help us.
exactly my
We
strong
don't
point.
have a village to help us, so we gotta really abuse ninja monkey counter espionage and wizard monkey sense shimmer. Is what we gotta really abuse.
Yeah, but what are we going for first? So I don't need. Oh, I forgot to get this. Okay.
Doesn't matter.
So I don't.
Druids do mad Moab damage for no reason at all. Like they have no business being that good against Moabs. Oh, they just are. I guess if you want to feed me money so I can feed my Druid addiction, and maybe get a couple lightnings. Just, you know. There we go. Alright, we should be set for a while. I just gotta start getting my I just gotta start getting my my jungle Druids. Yeah, because now we have lightning, and if we can get, I don't believe Druids see camo normally, so we gotta do a lot of stuff for camo detection. So maybe slapping a shimmer in the corner there isn't a bad idea.
Which corner?
The first bend.
Okay. I'm gonna put this here
Why is that?
purely for your druids.
Oh. Does it fit all the Druids there?
I think it only does 3, actually.
That's fine, whatever. Three's enough.
Oh wait, no. It was able to fit. Oh, it's just too far away. Okay.
That's whatever. I'll survive. Yeah, watch this blow up.
It just goes. It just leaves.
It just doesn't exist, basically. Like, they have no business being that good against Moabs. I just don't understand it. Hey, if you want to feed me more money, so I can, again, feed my Druid addiction. I'm just being completely honest with my Druid addiction. Like, it's an addiction, but it's a good addiction. Because, like, they're broken as hell.
I mean, if you put some more closer to your line, they'll fit under the alchemist.
Yeah, I do see that. No, they don't. I can slap one beside the alchemist, but I can't fit any below the alchemist.
Oh, if I put it too close.
Yeah, a bit. It's fine though, because I can slap. Oh, okay.
Put them there now.
Okay, I'm gonna try and put them as close to the fucking bottom here as possible. If you want to slap down an alchemist, I can just surround your alchemist with druids. Oh, I can't move any up there. Damn.
So now there should be.
You know what, I'm just gonna make this druid a
There
druid of the
should be
storm.
5 now.
Just for no reason, I'm just gonna make this one a druid of the storm.
It's too quick. It's just druid spam.
Here. I'm actually gonna sell this druid and replace him with... Hey, can I place this druid back? Hello?
Is it not letting you?
No, it's not letting me... Oh, wait, I found the spot again. There we are. I'm gonna replace him with a pop blast.
How about this, dude?
Because what this pop blast does is pop blast boosts attack speed and pierce for other druids in the radius. So,
Okay.
all of my druids are buffed by this pop blast. So I'll have increased attack speed. I'm gonna make that one a Druid of the Storm just because. So basically more thorns and more lightning.
Oh my god, I've just realized.
What?
Super Monkey's military.
Yep.
This isn't military, this is magic. Yeah, Super Monkey's magic.
Yeah. He's a magic he's a sneaky boy, he's a magic boy. He's a mysterious man.
When I said military, I wondered why you wouldn't be magic.
Yeah, I was confused, honestly. Hey, so remember that you remember that druid addiction I possess? Yeah, I'm gonna need your money to fuel that. Cause your money is gonna make us money if I get a bunch of jungle bounties. Alright, there's jungle bounty number 1. In about in a few uses it'll make itself back. I almost have Spirit of the Forest. I shouldn't be this close to Spirit of the Forest. Oh, by the way, the ability for Spirit of the Forest gives us cash and lives.
Okay.
So it's like really good. So again, if you want to like help me fuel my addiction, because like it'll help us in the future. Thank you, kind sir. Shouldn't be giving us much money. And there we go. Yes, Spirit of the Forest. Yeah, that's pretty epic. There we go. So I need 37.8k.
Yeah, see, I need nearly 26k. Then I need nearly 12k. Then I need nearly 35k.
No, but mine's more important because mine will, you know, give us a lot of stuff.
Yeah, but think of Prinky Darkness.
Prinky Darkness. I know, but it's
Prinky
pretty good.
Dark.
But my druid's even better.
Is it low?
By a lot, yes, actually. Like, you have to see it to believe it. I'm not even capping. It's like the first time I showed you Prince of Darkness. Like, it's fucking broken, but I just need to show you so you can believe it.
Okay.
We do need 37.8k though. So you got anything you can sell?
I could sell some stuff.
Don't sell anything until don't sell until we have to or something, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Nah.
What?
It was just holding Look at it, it's just holding stuff at the front.
What? Oh, the druids, yeah. You know, if it grabs it with the vine, it's a one shot. It's like one kill. It's instantly dead.
That's broken.
See, Spirit of the Forest puts vines across the entire map. I honestly don't know which one I want to have a species. I don't know. I honestly don't know which one I want to be the Spirit of the Forest. This one. This is the Spirit of the Forest. This one's in range of the Pop Lust and like all of the different fucking guys. So we're doing this, dude. Yeah, we're doing this, motherfucker. This guy that I've... Oh, sick. Okay. Well, anyway, this guy that I've just upgraded right here, he's becoming our Spirit of the Forest. The dude in the corner there. Of the one with all of your, like, with the one with all of your alchemists.
Okay.
That's so fucking...
Oh, okay,
Yeah, we know we've won. Why have we won? Why have we won twice already? What's happening?
We won twice in the space of 2 rounds.
Let's go. Okay, so we have like a combined total of almost 20k. So we only need
oh, yeah,
17.8 to go.
Oh my
What?
god. Are we just gonna win on every round now?
I think we are.
That's not how this game's meant to work.
It's just holding to the front. Bro. Dog. Bro.
Turn off auto start. Let's hope that works.
I already have auto start off. I've never had it on to begin with. Okay.
Okay, we haven't won this round.
Okay.
Okay. We'll turn auto start back on and we'll go again.
Do you have... How much money do you have?
10k.
We have 37k. Or we have 32k. So we're almost there. We need 5k. Or, yeah, we need 5k basically. So just give me your money. We're almost there.
I've already given you it all.
Give me more.
That's every penny I've got.
Dude, we need $1,000. Give me your money.
I don't have any.
We're almost there. We need 200k.
You need 200k? How?
$200, sorry.
Jesus. Bloody 200k, not happening.
Yes, Spirit of the Forest.
There we go. This looks a lot more broken than it should be. No way. No way. That's broken. What's with this game? That's... No.
It's almost at 100k pops. Oh, plus we regain lives from its ability. That's way too many lives to regain. We're at 117 lives. So basically, everywhere on the map, you take damage. Oh, and we gain 35 lives per ability used from the Druid, so... And it regens...
So you can just spam
oh, wait, does it also give us $1,000 at the end of every match? Oh, it does! Oh, sick. So yeah, watch. We're at 142 lives. Watch.
167. Jesus.
I'm gonna casually get the rest of these guys at the jungle's bounty just for the maximum amount of money possible. Oh, and lives. That works too. I'm actually going to sell this Druid. Try and place it back in.
Why is this thing so good? Who gave the Druid the right to be this broken?
Turn off auto start, please.
Oh, yeah, okay. And
Yeah, no, we're dead. Damn.
Damn.
I was trying to place in another pop lost. Just hold on. Don't start yet. I just want to try and place in this pop list. It's not liking me trying to place it in.
Hold on. I haven't pressed continue. How's this?
I did.
Oh, okay.
What, did you think the game felt sorry for us and just gave us another life?
Yeah.
Fair, honestly. Here, I gotta get rid of this one. Here. Oh, no fucking shot. Hey, do you have a casual 48.6k lying around?
No, I don't.
Could you get 48 points? Can we get 48.6k?
Not anytime soon.
I mean, we have 34.1, so like, what
Damn
can
it.
we sell?
I was like nothing really. I was getting like so close.
Listen, we need
Well, I say
14k.
close.
Literally, if you sell...
Nothing I have sells for 14k.
No, but if you sell 2 of your things... For example,
God damn
I
it.
can probably get rid of...
I've
I
been
can get
building
rid
this
of...
arcane spike since the start of the game.
No, you can keep the arcane. I don't give a shit. But like, there's a couple. We have to sell a couple things. If I sell, actually, like almost all of my druids. Like if I sell 2 of my druids and you sell,
Get rid of this.
oh, how that works. Alright, we only need 8k. So like if I sell this druid, we need 2k.
We can play around.
Let's try.
We should play around first, really, shouldn't we?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Having it on slow-mo won't make a difference in the
No,
outcome.
just to react faster. Just give me your money constantly. It's like not constantly, but it's like
No,
we need
you said it. I'm doing it.
sure. This is why I wanted to be careful. Alright, fuck it. Please work, please work, please work.
Nah, that's not.
Nah, it's not gonna work. We didn't get it in time. Damn it, dude.
Damn.
We didn't get it in time. This is why I wanted to get it. How much money do you have?
What do you mean?
How much monkey money do you got?
Enough.
Alright, 95 again. We have Avatar of Wrath. I'm gonna start getting... I'm going to get another pop loss stop. That's the wrong way. the wrong place. Just slap it up here. There. That's why I should do that.
You enjoying your druids there, mate?
Almost. I just need a little bit more money. Can you give me your money? Alright, sick.
So,
We're almost all set here. I just
There
gotta.
isn't a link.
Alright, watch this. Slow-mo. Just try and keep up. I really hope this works. I really hope this is good enough. It better be good enough. It better be good enough. It's not good enough. Damn it. God damn it, bro.
It's getting them quicker, but not quick enough. You ready to call it game yet?
Yeah, no, that's that. We couldn't get past round 95, dude. That sucks. I mean, the fact that we made it to round 95 with just military towers only and my druid spam was kind of impressive, honestly.
Yeah, it could have been worse.
Could have been worse. Alright, peace later. Cool game.
Yep. Done. Out.
Yep.